If you've been trying to buy your first rental property and every bank keeps telling you no, this video may save you months of frustration. I'm going to show you the exact loan that most new investors don't even know exists, and the one that allows you to hold title in your company's name, and especially will give you a leg up if you have a W-2 job. This is the exact loan that I've used to buy over 100 rental properties and build my portfolio. You see, when most new investors are starting to finance their properties, they go to the big banks and they ask them if they do rental property loans, which most of them may say no or not give them the time of day. And then they also have very strict underwriting rules. They don't allow you to hold title in your company's name, and they very much view you like a home buyer and not a business owner. This is not ideal when you're looking to grow a rental property business. And so the ticket is not finding the right loan, but finding the right bank that will give you the loans that you need to go out and grow your business. And a local bank is exactly what it sounds like. Think of it as like a local business you would walk into in your community and be able to either talk to the owner or a decision maker and get some things done very quickly. The same thing happens with a small bank. Usually they have maybe one location or a few locations in a specific geographical territory, and you can either call them or walk in and talk with the decision makers of the bank. And so what this might sound like is you just call a bank and say, hey, do you have a commercial loan department or somebody I can speak with in commercial loans? And if they do, you're in good luck, because you can ask them, if you just say, hey, I'm a local real estate investor looking to buy more rental property. Do you do commercial loans for rental property? And if they tell you yes, that's a good sign, because that usually means they'll allow you to hold title in your company's name. They will have some creative financing routes that they can do and help you grow your business. And there's also not much red tape, if any at all, like there is with FHA loans, government loans, or anything that's backed with these popular loans that you've probably heard of. And to kind of add to the commercial loan piece, if you have a W-2 job, this is almost like a superpower for you, because especially if you're just getting started, they will look at your W-2 income and make them feel all warm and fuzzy, because it's very easy to confirm this W-2 income, and it shows that you have money outside of the rental property business to get you started. And then on the other side of this, as it relates to the rental property, when you're doing a commercial loan, banks will use the strength of the deal, meaning the rental income that'll come from it, to help qualify for the deal and not just go off of your income alone, which is great. If you're using a big bank or you're buying a property in your name only, they don't typically do this. They have to go just from the strength of your income and not really factor in the rental property income. And so, as I mentioned, the great things about this is they allow you to hold it in title in your company's name. They'll allow you to buy more than one property. When you do commercial properties, you don't really have any cap. Really, you're going off of the bank's loan limits and how much that they can, their appetite for risk or loaning you money is. And the sky's the limit, and you can work with more than one bank for this too. And so to summarize, find a small local bank in your area or the area that you're investing in, ask them if they do commercial loans, and then you can verify that they'll allow you to hold title in your LLC name for your company. You can let them know you have W-2 income, and they'll tell you all of the documents they need to verify this, and then they can get you a pre-approval. That way you can start looking for properties and buy your first or next rental property. And so there you have it. That's the exact loan strategy that I've used to buy over 100 rental properties. I'm curious if you've heard of commercial loans before, if you've done one yourself as it relates to buying rentals. I'd love to hear it in the comments. And also like and subscribe to the channel if you've gotten value or you enjoy learning about rental property investing. And I appreciate you watching. This video is a wrap. Bye for now.